Yantavantadesha sandhi. Please try to repeat the name of the sandhi. Yantavantadesha sandhi, also called as Ayadi sandhi. It is also called as Ayadi sandhi. Yantavantadesha sandhi. Now, at the end of the lesson, we will be able to understand what is Yantavantadesha, the table, examples, and rules of this sandhi. Let us see the sandhi karyas in these sentences. Vishnave namaha, haraye bhaktihi rochate, nayakaha ganasya navikaha. Now, in Vishnave namaha, what is the probable place where the sandhi has taken place? It is Vishnave. In haraye, it is at haraye. It is in nayakaha ganasya navikaha, nayakaha navikaha. These are the four places where the sandhi or the transformation of the sound has taken place. Now, what may be the transformation that has occurred? If we try to see, we will understand and analyze that Vishnu, this is a pada madhya sandhi. That is, inside the pada itself, this sandhi is there. This is a pada madhya sandhi, where Vishnave is made up of Vishnu, ye. Haraye is made up of Hare, ye. Nayakaha is made up of Nai Akaha. Navikaha is made up of Nau Ikaha. Now, if you see these sandhi karyas, you see the sounds which are there on the left. O, A, Au, I. So, A, I, O, Au. These are the sounds which are involved. So, but the adesha or the results are different. Now, let us see what is happening in the table. So, A, I, O, O are the sounds involved where the transformation is taking place. Any swara is involved because on the right hand side. And the adesha is Yanta Desha, Vanta Desha. The name of the sandhi itself is Yanta Desha, Yantavanta Desha. So, Yanta Desha refers to Ya Anta Adesha. Ya is there at the end. Ya Anta, at the end of the sound that gets replaced, Ya is there. At the end of the sound that gets replaced, Va is there. So that is why it is called as Yanta Desha Sandhi, Vanta Desha Sandhi. A and I gives rise to the sound which has Ya as the ending sound in the transformation. O and Au gives V as the ending sound. Yanta Desha, Vanta Desha. Therefore, we call them as Yanta Desha, Vanta Desha Sandhi. Now, let us go to this example. Vishnu Ye. Now, Vishnu, if you split, you get V, I, Sh, N, O. Ye. Okara in front of Ekara. The replacement is Av, Vishnave. This is how the transformation takes place. Vishnu Ye, 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 Vishnave. That is how it takes place. Adesha. It is an Adesha, and this here also the Adesha is happening at the one side of the two words which get joined. So only the change is happening only to the left hand side letter, the last letter of the first word. Now let us take some example. Ne ati. Ne ati. As per the table, what should be there? If ekara is there, I sound has to come. So ekara gets, so ne can be split as n, ye, ati. That ekara gets replaced by I. So you get nayati, gai ati, gayati, guro plus ye, okara in front of ekara, gurave, gurave, repha, okara, ekara. Okara gets replaced by, as per the table, av. So gurave is what comes. Dvau plus api, dvavapi, aukara in front of any swara, akara is the swara here. So you get dvavapi. Now what you should remember is, see again, once again I am repeating, okara in front of a swara, okara becomes avu. This avu gets joined, in avu you have that vukara that gets joined with the ekara. in Vishnave. So it becomes a way. That is why we get Vishnave. So be very careful when we join this. You have to break the word into these steps and then only join. That is how the steps have to be written in as per this slide. Now here also the Adesha is happening only to the Purva Varna. Here, so what is the Niyama or in Niyama that we can tell in Sanskrit? Ye wo I au yetebhyaha varnebhyaha yada swaraha bhavati paraha bhavati tada ye o I au ityetesham sthane kramena ay av ay av yete adeshaha bhavanti. So in Sanskritam what we do is something called Purva Varna and Paravarna. So we say dash varnebhyaha yada dash paraha bhavati tada dash sthane dash adeshaha bhavanti. This is a standard way of putting that. So yevo I au or ye I wo au yetebhyaha varnebhyaha yada swaraha paraha bhavati tada tesham sthane kramena ay av adeshaha bhavanti. That's what is the niyama. So in English, for people who cannot understand Sanskritam, when a, o, I and au are followed by a swara, they are replaced by ay, av, respectively. Now, what is the sutra for this? Can we remember this sandhi in a nice way? Yachoya vayavaha is the sutra. Yechoya vayavaha. Let me repeat properly. Yechoya vayavaha. Yech refers to the pratyahara yech in Maheshwara Sutra. Yech refers to yeng aich. The third and the fourth sutra is involved. So ye, wo, I, au are the 4 letters involved in yech. Panini says yechoya vayavaha. When yech varnas are involved, the sound that gets transformed is ay, ayavayavaha. So in ayavayavaha, you have the ay, av, respectively. So ay, av. Note that it is not ye, I, o, as per Panini, ye, wo, I, o as per Panini, because that is the order in Maheshwara Sutra. In the table, I have given ye, I, o, but in the sutra, it is ye, wo, I, o. Accordingly, we have to make the adeshas properly. So please note that yechoya vayavaha, yech refers to yevo I au according to the Maheshwara Sutras, and ayavayavaha are the 4 adeshas that are coming in front of an ach. So simply we can remember yanta vanta sandhi as yech becomes ay av in front of an ach. That's how we remember. In Yanta Vanta Desh Sandhi, there is a special case. Now, this is the common rule that is happening. There is a special case. We will just understand in a minute what happens there. So, when Yanta Vanta Desh Sandhi is happening, sometimes the ya or va of the adesha gets deleted. Sir, when does this happen? Now, if you have 2 distinct words, they are 2 words by themselves. Let us take the case of asane upavishtav. Here the table, all the conditions of the table are getting satisfied. You have an ekara and you have an swara. So what should technically happen is ekara gets replaced as ayu. So let us split asana ye upavishtav. Asan plus ayu. So it should become as ayu. Now what this special case says is optionally sometimes this gets asana, n plus I is asana, asanaya, upavishtav is there. Now this yakara sometimes gets deleted, optionally gets deleted. So you have 2 forms as the answer for asana upavishtav. The answer can be either asana upavishtav, okay, or the traditional form asana upavishtav with the yakara form. With akara there will be 1 form, then without akara there will be 1 form. The final answer is asana upavishtav, asanai upavishtav, asanai upavishtav. Like that, there will be two forms. So when the ya and va of the adesha gets deleted, other swara sandhis will not happen. Now, even if there is a chance of other swara sandhis like guna sandhi and other things, asana upavishta will remain same. It will not, again, it will not become asana plus u, a plus u become o. That thing will not happen. But when does this happen, sir? This yakara vakara deletion, when does it happen? It happens only when they are two distinct words. Now, in case of Hare plus Ye or Vishnu plus Ye, it is a Pada Madhya Sandhi. It is a Sandhi between the Prakriti and Pratyaya itself. Then in that case, it will not happen. So this we have to understand.